Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce a website. It's called Kimi.com. So you can see here this is alternative of ChatGPT. Like if you're really looking for another chatbot, then this is perfect for you. So it's called Kimi.com, and now you can see here all the interface is same like ChatGPT or other chatbot. So you can see here this is new chat, and you can ask anything, and there are some tools. Like if you click here tools, then you can search and thinking. So it's not support, that's why you have to, you can see here okay computer, three left, researcher. So you can select it, okay computer, and you can see here this is a model. Like here you will find two models, K2 and K15. So if you choose this one, okay, then it will work now, thinking mode. So if you click here, then you can see here. So you can also upload your photos and media here, and this is save frequently used prompts, insert with your shortcut, and you can see, for example, let's see, hello. So I type something, you can enter or click here. So you can see here this similar to chatbot. You can copy this thing, and you can see here this is all chat. Give me slides, you can also make slides using this one, and this is a chatbot. Give me slides, and give me slides, you can see here you can slide anything, send message to give me slides. So you can see here. So you can try, like it's called Kimi.com, and you chat, you can hide, or you can choose here like inspiration, web app, you can mobile app, data visualization. I'm just going to click here, make top social media. So data visualization. So like you can see here, like in free mode sometimes it's not work, that's why you have to uh, subscribe there. So like it's like a chatbot, this is not totally free. Like if you want to get more option like creativity slides, so you can use it.